So in Qwen, what you can also do is generate out CSV data. So over here, you can see that this is what I have right here. This is now what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go ahead and then type in this prompt. So I'm going to say generate a 20 random first name and last name data with age and degree the person is pursuing right here. So you can simply go ahead and say generate 20 random names right here. So let's just go ahead and get it. I'm just going to go ahead and say name and last name with data, age and the person is pursuing. So I'm going to go ahead and say generate this as CSV file right here, just like this. So I do that, then what happens says below is the CSV content containing 20 random first names, last names, ages, degrees, as you can see here, just this. So that's how, as you can see, and now we can simply read this out and then paste it out into an application like Notepad, and then simply go ahead and save this out over here as you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and save it out on my desktop as sample.csv right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, I can go ahead onto my desktop. So I'm just going to go ahead over here onto my desktop right here. And then I'm going to bring in that file. So you can see that this is the file right here that is on my desktop. So now I can open it up with Excel. Let's say, for example, I can open it up with Notepad as well, of course. But in Excel, you can see that the CSV data is now arranged out in columns right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and generate out CSV data as you like inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.